होमिओपॅथिक मॅटर मेडिका सेकंड BHMS 2015 examination 20 marks. Write in detail the drug picture of Cilicia. Describe in detail the drug picture of Cilicia. Asked about 6 times so far. Define homeopathic mater medica. Write scope and limitation of homeopathic mater medica. Asked about 6 times so far. Natural Moor 5 times. Describe in drug picture of Pulsatilla. Details prescribe in detail the drug picture of Pulsatilla 4 times asked. Calcarea 4 times asked. Biochemic 3 times asked. Scope and limitation of homeopathic mater medica 3 times asked. Describe the drug picture of Natrum mur. Describe the drug picture of Natrum mur in detail 3 times asked. Calc phos 3 times asked. Sources of homeopathic mater medica 3 times asked. Write in detail the drug picture of Lycopodium clavatum. Describe in detail drug picture of Lycopodium clavatum 2 times asked. Various sources of homeopathic mater medica. Write, discuss in brief about scope and limitation of homeopathic mater medica 2 times asked. Describe the drug picture of Nux vomica. Describe in detail drug picture of Nux vomica. Biochemic indication 2 times asked. Describe various method of studying homeopathic mater medica. Describe in detail about different way of studying homeopathic mater medica 2 times asked. Biochemic indication of Natrum mur. Biochemic indication of Natrum mur in detail 2 times asked. Give the biochemic indication of calc phos in detail. Write the biochemic indication of Calcalia phosphorica in detail 2 times asked. Define homeopathic mater medica, its concept and construction of homeopathic mater medica 2 times asked. Describe in detail the drug picture of Calcarea car. Explain in detail the drug picture of Calcarea car. Define biochemical system of medicine. Write about history principle according to the Dr. Sussler. Enlist the 12 tissue remedy 2 times asked. Define homeopathy. Write in detail about sources of drugs with example 2 times asked.